Did you know that a handful of berries a day could be the key to keeping your blood sugar in check? It sounds simple, almost too good to be true. But scientific evidence is mounting, showing the powerful impact these tiny fruits can have on our health. Berries, those vibrant jewels of the plant world, are packed with compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels and ward off chronic diseases. For those of us struggling to manage blood sugar, whether we have diabetes or simply want to improve our metabolic health, berries offer a natural and delicious solution. Instead of reaching for processed snacks that send our blood sugar soaring, we can turn to these little nutritional powerhouses. Incorporating berries into our daily diet is a simple, yet profound step towards better health. This isn't about deprivation or complicated diets. It's about making small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact on our well-being. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of berries and uncover the secret power they hold for blood sugar control. Berries have long been celebrated for their sweet taste and vibrant colors, but they are much more than just a delicious treat. Emerging research has revealed their potent ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a valuable ally in the fight against type 2 diabetes and a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their metabolic health. Unlike sugary snacks that can send blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride, berries have a gentle impact on blood glucose. This is due to their unique composition, a combination of low sugar content, high fiber, and powerful plant compounds. These factors work synergistically to slow down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. But the benefits of berries extend far beyond blood sugar control. These nutritional powerhouses are also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting heart health to fighting inflammation, berries are truly a gift from nature. What makes berries so effective in managing blood sugar? The answer lies in their unique nutritional profile and the way they interact with our bodies. Let's break down the science behind their power. First, berries have a low glycemic index, or GI. The GI measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI are rapidly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. Berries, on the other hand, have a low GI, meaning they are digested and absorbed slowly, resulting in a gradual and sustained release of sugar into the bloodstream. Second, berries are packed with fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar control by slowing down digestion and the absorption of sugar. This helps prevent those drastic fluctuations in blood sugar levels that can be detrimental to our health. Third, berries are rich in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. Studies have shown that anthocyanins can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning our cells become more efficient at using insulin to lower blood sugar. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties, protecting our cells from damage. These three factors, low GI, high fiber content, and antioxidant power, work in harmony to make berries a potent natural remedy for blood sugar control. Section 4. A berry for every taste bud, exploring the options. The world of berries is vast and diverse, each type boasting its own unique flavor profile and nutritional benefits. Let's explore some of the most popular choices and see how they stack up in terms of blood sugar control. Blueberries. These tiny blue gems are nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants and fiber. They have a low glycemic index and have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Strawberries. Sweet and juicy, strawberries are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. They have a moderate glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Raspberries. These delicate berries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for blood sugar control. They are also a good source of manganese, which plays a role in carbohydrate metabolism. Blackberries, tart and tangy, blackberries are another great source of fiber and antioxidants. They have a low glycemic index and can help improve insulin sensitivity. While all berries offer benefits for blood sugar control, some stand out as particularly potent allies. Blueberries and raspberries, with their low glycemic index, high fiber content, and abundance of antioxidants, emerge as top contenders in the battle against blood sugar swings. Section 5. Berrylicious recipes for a healthier you. Incorporating berries into your daily diet doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be a delicious and enjoyable experience. Here are a few simple yet effective ways to add these nutritional powerhouses to your meals. Berry smoothie. Blend a handful of your favorite berries with unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a few spinach leaves for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Yogurt, parfait. Layer yogurt with berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey for a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly breakfast or dessert. Salad topper. Add a handful of fresh berries to your salad for a burst of flavor and a nutritional boost. Frozen treat. Freeze berries for a refreshing and healthy snack. You can eat them plain or dip them in dark chocolate for an extra treat. Experiment with different types of berries and find what you enjoy most. The key is to make them a regular part of your diet to reap their long-term health benefits. Section 6. Reaping the rewards beyond blood sugar control. The benefits of incorporating berries into your diet extend far beyond blood sugar control. These tiny fruits are packed with a wide range of nutrients that can benefit your overall health and well-being. Heart health. The antioxidants in berries can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain health. Berries are rich in compounds that can protect brain cells from damage, improve memory, and may even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many chronic diseases. Berries possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your body from damage. Immune support. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in berries can help boost your immune system and protect you from infections. By adding berries to your diet, you're not just taking a proactive step towards better blood sugar control but also investing in your overall health and longevity. Section 7. Embrace the berry revolution today. Blood sugar control doesn't have to be a constant battle. By embracing the power of berries, we can make simple yet profound changes to our diet that have a lasting impact on our health. These tiny fruits, with their low glycemic index, high fiber content, and abundance of antioxidants, offer a natural and delicious way to regulate blood sugar levels and improve our overall well-being. So why wait? Start incorporating berries into your daily routine today. Add them to your breakfast, snacks, or desserts. Experiment with different types and find what you enjoy most. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Make berries your ally in the journey towards optimal health and experience the transformative power of these tiny but mighty fruits. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.